What's your name?
My name's Keegan Pope. This is my Melbourne Star Bronco.
you wanna run us through the specs?
Yeah, we got the new RockShox Zeb at the front. 0 mils of travel. Actually, we got a bit of flex in the handlebars for that.
What grips are you running?
I got Clark's on one side, then Commensal Alpha on the other. 4 finger lever brakes, you know, power.
Oh, finger, huh?
Yep, stuff with 4 pistons, 4 finger.
What about the drivetrain, man? The Shimano Sis, huh?
Yeah, yep, it's the Shimano's version of AXS shifting. Completely external wires.
I can see the wall.
Yep.
What tyre pressure are you running in this thing?
I think last time I checked I was running 28 in the rear and 24 in the front.
28 in the rear,
yeah,
24 in the front.
Soft the rear, soft the front road.
Very good, huh? And what track are we going to go down today?
Yeah, straight final turn.
Final turns. Caution, gap jumps. Down, black diamond.
Should be fun.
Good luck. Holy! Oh! If you'd like to volunteer yourself towards Asian Descents, you know, thinking of doing weekly bike checks with the local nail can pinners, or you know what, maybe even my global fans that I don't have, you know, just hit me up on Instagram if you'd like to do a collab. Obviously we got Keegan. He said before, I'll ride my rigid mountain bike, and you know what, I stick to my word, because you know what, now I'm here filming it and he's the craziest man I've ever seen alive riding this at a fucking nail can. Oh oh oh, supersonic speed. Oh! Fuck. Alright, Mr. Keegan Pope, out of 10, how would you rate your ride today?
Oh, a solid 12.
A 12?
Yep. This has made me a greater rider in itself. Without it, I don't know how it would improve.
That's what you call true grinding. Do you have your Instagram? I can link up.
Yeah, Keegan.Pope 2018.
2018. Why is it 2018?
Oh, well, that's when I got the Instagram account. That's what gave me. Fun fact.
Rightio. Cover the camera and sign it off.
What?
I'll sign off.
Yeah.
So what we do when you sign off is anyone that's watching this video and I say sign off, you just go, see you next video, subscribe, like, and that's it. Goodbye.
Tunk, and then tink.
And then fly down there.